Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Rufus, and in today's video we are going to be playing Airplane 2. Now without further ado, let's get to it. Let's just go to this. Hopefully no one else comes in. Okay, good. Because I wanted to be in it by myself, so anyways guys, so yeah, Russell won't be able to be here this time because he's got stuff that he has to do, so yeah. Oh, this chair's comfy. Oh, I can look outside. Okay, so that's just one big box. No joke. So yeah, I'm probably going to be a bit lonely because my YouTube teammate or whatever you call it isn't here. But yeah, please enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It really gives me a lot of support, because I haven't got very many subscribers. But I'm not begging or anything, but if you do subscribe, then it means you're part of the Rufus, Ramson, and Russell team. So, yeah. Okay, so it looks like we have a captain, well, a new captain, and she's saying that we saved an airplane last time, but, we're celebrating, so, yeah. Right. Now I'm just gonna wander about. I wonder what this door goes to. Hello, can someone open this door? Well. Hello, can someone open this door? I need to use the bathroom. Well, toilet or whatever. Okay, time to sit. I wanna get an outside view of this. Oh, well, that was just disappointing. Yes, we did do a barrel roll. Cool. Oh, okay. Can someone open this door? Thank you. Oh, there's a note. I can't take it, oh well. Bit sus. I did. Why, thank you, good sir. I'm sure they are. Okay, can I... Thank you. Oh, there's a note. Which I can't take for some reason. Okay. That's good to know. Yeah, I'm not scared of this guy. Yeah, so guys, this is the first part of the video, so hopefully Russell will be here for the second part. So, yeah. Oh, great. Well, I'm dead. Cool, I found a broom. Why can't I clean any of this? Oh, there we go. I got one. Come on, quick. Come on. No. Oh, gee, that was close. Wow, I thought I was gonna die. Well, it looks like the president is ready. So, yeah. Oh, it's Donald Trump. I mean, in reality, he's not the president anymore, but I mean, they could update that, but it doesn't matter. Classic Donald Trump. Oh, his name's Ronald. Why, thank you, Mr. President. Ronald, like Ronald Trump instead of Donald Trump. Nice. Yes, we are, thank you. Ooh, yummy. Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm just chilling on your head, mate. Don't mind me. Just chilling on you. Jumping on the agent. Well, it looks like I'm the new cook. Well, I mean, I've cooked in real... Oh, that is a big box. Like, no joke, but that is a big box. Well, cool. Apple. Boom. Why is this tomato orange? I thought tomatoes were red. Oh well. Corn. Boom. More apple. Banana. Gimme. Thanks. Okay, well, food's ready. Oh, this looks tasty. Okay, so guys, I swear every time I play this game makes me hungry. Cool. Okay, guys, so I think that's going to be it for this part. I will see you in the second part. Goodbye. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye. Bye.